Hey everyone, and we're back today doing the review and the unboxing of the Apple Vision Pro VR headset. And this is what it looks like so far. Flip it to the side. These are what the sides are looking like. And I've already peeled off the two tapes on the ends right here. So I already did that, and let's go ahead and take this thing out. Okay. So there it is. That's the Apple Vision Pro. From the inside of this box, we have nothing much, just the interior of it. And it smells like a brand new box as well. And this is the Apple Vision headset we get out of the case. I can take this front cover off. This is where the glass is going to be. I probably won't take it off right now. And if I just leave this to the side, let's see what's under this. We also get some pamphlets in here. Oh, polishing cloth, okay. I'm gonna leave this right here. Then we get a light seal cushion. This is probably for, I have no idea what this is for. Okay. And in here, just more pamphlets, I think, Vision Pro. Then we have a dual loop band. I think this is the one that goes on top of your head. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is the one that goes on top of your head. And then this is the battery that comes with it. I think this one gives you like 2 to 4 hours of battery life. And then we also get a USB-C cable, to charge probably the battery. And we also get, another box. Usually this doesn't come out with the new iPhone, so that's pretty cool that this comes with this. And I think that's it. I think that's everything. Okay. Well, I hope you liked the unboxing. I'm gonna try to test this out first to make sure this works before I do another video on this. But if you guys want to see more, just like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. Cool.